Hey, so, you know how Prime Day is supposed to be next week? Yeah, Amazon's not even waiting. They've already started rolling out some crazy early deals, and honestly, some of them are better than what we've seen on the actual day in the past. I've been digging through all the noise to find the real gems, stuff that's actually worth your money in 2025. From smart gadgets to everyday upgrades, this list has a bit of everything. Alright, enough talk. Let's check out the 20 early Amazon Prime Day deals you definitely don't want to miss. DJI Neo Drone. DJI Neo Drone at $159, 20% off. The DJI Neo is an affordable, beginner-friendly drone with advanced features such as subject tracking and rapid shots. It can record video at high to 4K 30 frames per second and is swift and nimble, but it is also quite loud. You can also get one with 3 cells and a charger for $229, 21% discount. iRobot Roomba. iRobot Roomba vacuum and mop combo for $140, 49% off. This low-cost gadget, which is a variation of one of our favorite robot vacuums, has a water reservoir and can clean hard floors. It also connects via Wi-Fi to the iRobot app, which allows you to plan cleaning schedules and control the machine more effectively. Dyson V15. Detect Plus costs $570, $180 off. If you're looking for a cordless stick vacuum, nothing beats a Dyson, and the V15 Detect does not disappoint. It is now our top selection for the best cordless vacuum overall due to its outstanding suction power, lightweight design, long battery life, and included fluffy optic cleaning head, which utilizes a laser to show you where all the trash is while you are using it. Sony WH-1000 XM5. Sony WH-1000 XM5 headphones are $298, 25% off. While the XM6 headphones are the latest and finest, they merely make minor improvements to the already excellent XM5. These were our top pick for the finest wireless headphones for a long time, before the XM6 was released earlier this year, and we still enjoy them for their superb sound quality, powerful ANC, multi-device compatibility, and extended battery life. Sony Bravia 8000, 65 inches. QD OLED is now $2,998, down from $3,500. Sony's top-of-the-line set features everything you'd expect from a high-end TV, including quantum dots for better color and brightness, as well as the deep blacks and infinite contrast of a current OLED display. Sony TVs will always cost a little more, but this is due in part to their world-class picture processing, which is handled by Sony's XR chip. You can also purchase the 55-inch model for $2,500. Kobe Smart. The ecobee Smart Thermostat. Premium costs nearly as much as the temperature every day, but it's less than ever on Prime Day. You can presently purchase the Smart Thermostat, which includes a smart sensor and an air quality monitor, for $209, was $249.99. Logitech G305. Logitech G305. Lightspeed wireless costs $32.49, 35% discount. This mouse shows that you don't need flashy RGB to achieve elite-level performance. The G305 is lightweight, just 99 grams, ultra-responsive, and equipped with 1 millisecond Lightspeed wireless, as well as a Hero sensor that tracks like a dream, up to 12,000 dots per inch with no lag. Asus ROG Zephyrus G15 Ultra Slim was $2,099, now $1,489 on Amazon. With a 15.6-inch 165Hz QHD display, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, an AMD Ryzen 9590HS processor, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, this ultra-thin laptop packs a lot of punch. Logitech Brio 4K webcam was $199 US, now $136 US on Amazon, The Logitech Brio 4K was the first 4K webcam to hit the market when it debuted in 2017. There are several 4K webcams available now, but the Brio 4K remains a reliable performer, with superb auto light correction, a 90-degree field of view, and 5 times HD zoom. This isn't the lowest we've seen, but it's fairly close, and certainly less expensive than most 4K cameras. The Lian Li DK0 SOA Nex. The Lian Li DK0 SOA Nex is a motorized standing desk that supports twin EATX PC systems. That means you can fit up to 2 entire PC setups inside, including 2 EATX motherboards, 2 graphics cards, 12 fans, 14 disks, and 2 power supplies. Alternatively, if you only require 1 PC on your desk, you can have multiple fans and drives in a single setup. Other features include integrated cable management, wireless charging pads, and several USB ports. Amazon is currently offering a $200 discount as part of Prime Day. Samsung Odyssey OLED G9. Samsung Odyssey OLED G9. Instead of paying $1,800 for this one, you can purchase it for $891 right now, representing a 50% reduction on one of the greatest displays available. It just so happens that this is the best discount we've ever seen on this monitor. This is a monitor that will take up your entire desk, engulfing you in crisp, clear graphics, rich colors, and high contrast. The ultra-wide 49-inch OLED panel offers a 5120 by 1440 resolution, making it ideal for gaming. That's the equivalent of putting two 1440p displays next to each other, minus the unattractive borders and bezels. That's going to be an amazing experience. Alienware. If you want the best PC gaming performance possible, the Alienware Area 51 with RTX 5090 GPU and Intel Core Ultra 9285K CPU is hard to top. Dell currently offers this configuration of the Area 51, which includes 64 gigabytes of RAM, a 4 terabyte SSD, and a 1,500-watt power supply for $5,199, a $900 reduction off the $6,099 list price. Hato SA01 3.7 volts, mini electric screwdriver. The Hato little electric screwdriver features 56 bits for various minor projects and repairs, with a maximum torque rating of 0.5 Newton meters at 250 RPM. It's suitable for working with small devices, servicing laptops, and assembling PCs, but you might want something larger with more force for difficult-to-loosen thumb screws. If you're wondering what distinguishes the 3 gadgets besides their components, it comes down to torque and RPM. The screwdriver has a maximum speed of 250 RPM. The tiny drill has settings for 600, 900, and 1200 RPM. And the rotary tool has a stepless range of 1500 to 2000 RPM. Lark M2. I have these Hollyland. Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphones, which are fantastic and are currently cheaper on Amazon Prime Day. This is a deal I can personally stand behind because I purchased the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone in December 2024, and it was not this cheap. Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone was $92 US, now $76 US on Amazon. Long-range Hollyland Lark M2 microphones with noise cancellation are ideal for conference calls, content creation, and interviews. Elegoo Saturn high-resolution resin 3D printing at an affordable cost. Elegoo Saturn 3 12K Resin 3D printer is an excellent way to get started with resin 3D printing. Elegoo Saturn 3 12K resin printer was $364 US, now $279 US on Amazon. A 10-inch 12K mono LCD ensures that your resin prints are crisp and flawless. The packaging contains an extremely high resolution, 12K, resin 3D printer with a huge build volume of 218.88 by 122.88 by 250 millimeters. The build plate is laser carved for optimal bed adherence, and the Fresnel collimating light source produces a homogeneous beam of light for improved print precision. Amazon Echo Spot. Amazon Echo Spot was $79, now $44 on Amazon. The Echo Spot's distinctive spherical screen adds a new dimension to smart displays. Perfect for bedside tables or kitchen countertops, it provides rapid weather updates, time checks, and notifications without taking up too much space. The circular form adds individuality while still providing all of the Alexa functionality you'd expect. Sony WFC710N. Sony WFC710N was $119, now $78 on Amazon. Sony's mid-range buds are quite reasonably priced and critically, significantly cheaper during Prime Day. For a wonderful price, you get killer sound, excellent ANC, and a really comfortable fit. As you can see from our 4.5-star review, there's little we didn't like about the buds, including their 30-hour battery life. This is the lowest price we have ever seen for the buds. Qi Wireless, leading USB-C input-output technology and Qi Wireless. The most recent improvement adds a USB-C output with 20-watt fast charging capacity, allowing you to charge your iPhone 15 to 65% in under 30 minutes with no damage to your smartphone. Supports charging 3 devices at the same time, has different output charge input methods, and eliminates the risk of a power outage. Compatible with practically all smart devices, including iPhones, iPads, and Samsungs. Premium battery and the smallest solar charger. Blavor employs the safer lithium cobalt battery, which has 50% greater cycling times than a typical Li-polymer battery. The smallest and lightest portable charger on the market, rated at 10,000 milliamp hours. When fully charged, it can recharge the iPhone 8 3.6 times, the iPhone 14 Pro 2.2 times, and the iPad Air once. Cam Starvis technology allows the front and back cameras to record video at 2.7K plus 2.7K resolution at the same time, making it easier to view road signs, vehicle number plates, and other essential details. The improved 2.7K back camera delivers the same imaging as the front camera, resulting in clearer and smoother footage than regular 1080p. You may quickly lock the current front and rear video into the event video folder to prevent it from being overwritten in 3 different ways. In parking mode, the low-light night vision feature detects surrounding brightness in real time, allowing the dashboard camera to capture a sharper, brighter image of the current environment in low ambient illumination circumstances.